still burns. Every heartbeat feels unreal, a glitch in time I can't conceal. Your touch remains like static waves, a coded signal I can't erase. Shadows of yesterday haunting me when the night turns gray. I hear your voice in the cold air sway, a whispered memory drifting away. Shadows of yesterday won't let me escape. If I drive far enough, will the silence break? Or will your phantom follow every breath I take? Under midnight skies, your memory remains, soft as a whisper, sharp as the rain. Shadows of yesterday pull me back when I stray away. In every echo the night bears, you're still the voice that makes me stay. Shadows of yesterday still calling.